Hey guys, and welcome to another video with me, Megan Dazanaki, here on YouTube. This time I have an awesome IPSY haul for you, IPSY unboxing. This should be my last one. I may have one more coming next month, just because I'm slow at canceling things, and they make it really hard to unsubscribe from things sometimes. But I had a lot of bonus points that I had to use this month, so I've got some extra goodies along with my IPSY bag. So let's check it out. So this is the July bag. Ooh, got all kinds of extra goodies in there, like I said. Okay. We've seen her before. She's cute. I love the wooden handle. I definitely got this bag earlier this year. I want to say like March or April. What's going on, IPSY? Interesting. Okay, so I already have, I think these are all of my extra goodies on the outside of the bag. So I'm just going to go with the first thing that I see. I was really excited about this. If you watch my Marshalls and TJ Maxx haul, you'll see that I picked up my first Kate Somerville product. So this is my second, so I'm super excited to try this. This is the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer and Serum. Supposed to use it morning and night, twice a day on your face and neck. So excited about that. I also had added on a Pixi by Petra. I believe this is a Glossy Lip Maximizer. This is their LipLift Max. And this is in the shade Honey Sheen. So this is something that I added on. I'm trying to figure out where the packaging is at so I can open it and show you a close-up. Ooh. She smells like peppermint. Not a fan. Not part of the peppermint clan. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, so there's a little swipey swipe. Like I said, she does smell like peppermint. So we'll see about that. She looks like a very Sheen gloss for sure. And then the third thing that I had added, this is from a makeup company I'd never heard of, Skone, S-K-O-N-E, Insanely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner Mini in black. You know, I love eyeliner, especially liquid eyeliners, especially black ones. So excited about that. Always down to try another black eyeliner. So let's open up into the bag. We've got our card. It says, take a break. Yes, honey. And telling us different ways that we can take a break this summer. So we're going to reach in. The first thing that I grabbed is from the Balm. This is AUTOBALM Girl Powder Cheeks on the Go. And this is in, I think it's in the color Girl Powder, or it's in Houston Street. I'm confused. I think it's, I don't know, it says Girl Powder literally everywhere. So a nice orangey pink blush tone. A little chalky, but she blends out nicely. There's a look of that. Cute. Next product. Ooh. This is from Seraphine Botanicals, which is a cruelty-free and vegan product and company. This is Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. I don't know what that means. Well, let's find out. It looks like a great size. Okay. Packaging. There she is. It does not say what color she's in. Okay, so it's a highlighter. I was like, it doesn't say that. Radiance Booster, I figured that's probably where they were going, but nice and so. Ooh, she's got shine. Get some more of her. And there she is on the top of my hand. A lot of glitter and a lot of shimmer. There's a lot more shimmer, I feel like, on my finger from that one than it actually rubbed off. But cute and really awesome size there. Ooh, another big product. Bigger. This is a mask. This is by Biorace. This is a pore tightening Pearl Clay Mask. Deep cleanse, tighten pores, and sebum control. Sealed up, of course. But it says Pearl Clay Mask, so I'm going to say that it's probably the same color, the tube gray. We love a face mask. Love that. Ooh, it looks like we got 2 face masks, possibly. Or maybe this one's for our hair. Yes, this is VERB, Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask. So VERB is a hair company. I've tried 1 or 2 like leave-in conditioners from VERB before. So this is, it says to use it after you shampoo your hair. So this would be a mask that you would rinse out and use in the shower. Awesome, because I just ran out of my conditioner, so that's super great. And last but not least, we have this cute little baby. We have a tried and true favorite of many, many people. I'll say she's not my favorite. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Trooper Black. There's a nice line right there. I don't know, I feel like maybe mine had dried up before, or maybe I had messed up the felt tip. I don't know. I just have found other eyeliners to perform better for me. I know this is a lot of people's favorite. It's so precious, so perfect for on-the-go travel. So I got all kinds of great goodies this month, like I said, because I added some extra things on. So we've got mask for our face. We're moisturizing our face and our hair, taking care of our wrinkles. We're adding some shine. Got some liners, we just need to get some eyeshadow, and then you've got a whole look. And honestly, I would probably use probably that shimmery one, the highlighter, as, really the highlighter or the blush as some eyeshadow either way. So awesome. A little confused, IPSY, with why we're getting a repeat bag. But no repeat products. These are all brand new products I've never tried before, which is why I love IPSY. Super awesome, because you get to try things that you've never tried before. I've tried a couple of these brands, like I said, going through, but honestly, all of these products are brand new to me, and I'm super excited to try them out. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you stay tuned and watch some other videos that I've got going on, because I'm always coming out with some new great stuff about beauty and cosmetics and self-care, skincare, all those wonderful things. So you are a beautiful human, and thank you for watching, and take care. Bye.